What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a gorgeous Christmas tree, you've got to check out this one by Best Choice Products. This is my favorite thing about Christmas time. It is a pre-lit, pre-decorated tree, and it has these beautiful red glossy berries. It has these really delicate flocked snow tips. There's these really adorable, nice flocked pine cones. It just looks like a realistic tree. Now, I love that the branches are really sturdy and I can hang other ornaments on them if I want, but I also love the simple elegance of this tree just like it is. I take it out of the box, I fluff it up, I plug it in, and then it is beautiful even on its own. That is the beauty of buying a pre-decorated tree, is that you don't have to put a whole lot extra into it if you don't want to, and just like this, it's really pretty. Now, some people ask me when they see the tree how much the flocking comes off the tips, and I'll tell you that it does come off a little bit, but there's just a little bit. It literally looks like there's been a light snow, and your vacuum cleaner takes care of it really quick. But other than that, the branches and the needles are really nicely put together. They're sturdy, they don't do a lot of shedding, and I love how lush and thick this tree is. It just absolutely fills the space without being huge either. Now, as far as the profile of this, it's only about 3.5, maybe 4 feet at its max across, and I've had wider trees and had a hard time fitting them in a room. This one here tucks in a corner really nice, or goes beside my fireplace, and it doesn't take up a lot of floor space, so I really like the space efficiency of it while not sacrificing style. This tree gets me compliments year after year, and every year I put it up, I remember how much I love it and how much I enjoy the Christmas season just because this is set up in my house. If you are looking for a beautiful tree for your room, this is farmhouse, chic, country classic Christmas, and it's easy and elegant and simple, and it's definitely a family favorite at my house.